Hi there, welcome to Preston Audi, and today I'm going to be taking you around this Audi S4 Black Edition finished in glacier white metallic paint. This car comes with the extended interior upholstery package, the extended leather package, the LED interior lighting package, titanium black styling package and the high gloss package. As we move closer to the car, you can see it has the matrix LED headlights and daytime running lights. And as we go down to the wheels, these are the 19-inch alloy wheels in the 5-arm rotor design, and you can see the brake calipers have the S model logo on them. The seats in this car are the heated front sport seats, finished in the leather and have the S embossment on them. And as we move towards the dashboard, you have your Audi virtual cockpit, which you can switch through and change your view on. And you also have your touch screen where you can use your MMI infotainment system, MMI navigation system plus, Audi smartphone interface and Audi Connect. This car also comes with the deluxe 3-zone electronic climate control, cruise control, a rear view camera, pre-sense city and Audi parking system plus. As we move to the back of the car, you can see the rear windows are fitted with the privacy glass. And as we'll just take a look at the chrome tailpipes on this car. Going into the boot. This boot holds 420 litres of space in it. The seats in the back of this car are fitted in the same leather, and you have all of your ISOFIX child seat mounting points in this car. So for more information on this car, please give us a call on 01772 730000. Thank you for watching.